Welcome to this explainer. Have you ever caught yourself wondering how high net worth travelers always seem to find those absolutely perfect, totally unlisted hidden gem resorts? Well, spoiler alert, it's not magic, and it's definitely not coming from a basic web search. Today, we're taking a fascinating look behind the curtain of elite hospitality to demystify the St. Martin's luxury recommendation system. We are going to see exactly how Python-based algorithms and deep learning are completely transforming how high-end travel experts curate localized luxury. I want you to really think about this quote for a second. Standard travel apps are blind to true luxury. It's a bold statement, I know, but it is entirely accurate. The algorithms powering the apps that you and I use every single day are physically blind to the ultra-elite coastal retreats of St. Martin's Island. They simply cannot see the data the public misses. So let's explore the hyper-aware digital concierge that was engineered to solve this exact problem.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering generic app failures, St. Martin hybrid filtering, data science and seasonal availability, real-time intent, biometric personalization, and finally, the overall business importance in luxury tourism.
All right, let's dive right into Section 1, Generic App Failures, or Why Everyday Algorithms Fail.
Generic travel apps are essentially just popularity contests. They rely heavily on mass user ratings and static profiles. But think about it. In the ultra-luxury market, exclusivity is the whole point. That means there are far fewer ratings to even go by. Standard apps completely miss these elite resorts because they just aren't programmed to value the right things. The St. Martin system, on the other hand, is specifically engineered to prioritize nuanced variables, things like architectural luxury and coastal proximity. It accesses the hidden data that the general public completely misses. Moving on to Section 2, St. Martin Hybrid Filtering. This is the ultimate tech-driven solution. So, the crucial point here is understanding this hybrid filtering engine. In data science, when you deal with ultra-exclusive resorts, you obviously have very few user reviews. This creates what data scientists call sparse user rating matrices. It's basically a massive spreadsheet with a whole lot of blank spaces. Now, a normal algorithm totally panics here. But by integrating deep learning, this hybrid engine can analyze incredibly complex, hidden relationships in the data. That's how it successfully matches sophisticated travelers with those highly coveted, completely unlisted retreats.
Section 3. Data Science and Seasonal Availability, Mastering Scarcity.
Finding the right resort is honestly only half the battle. On an exclusive island like St. Martin, your biggest hurdle is seasonal scarcity. Dealing with incredibly strict availability constraints requires immense computational muscle. To handle this system heavily optimizes Python-based NumPy arrays. If you aren't a programmer, don't worry. All you need to know is that this allows computers to process massive datasets at literal lightning speed. It can instantly filter through complex seasonal constraints, consistently surfacing top-tier results without ever lagging.
Next up, Section 4, Understanding Customer Intent in Real Time, Going Beyond the Static Profile.
Now, what's really fascinating here is the massive paradigm shift in how we view the user. Outdated methods rely on what you liked yesterday, your static user profile. But human beings are dynamic. Actually, scratch that. We change our minds constantly. The St. Martin system embraces a shift toward real-time neural intent decoding. This means the AI actively interprets the traveler's actions, their context, and their immediate desires as they happen. It matches exactly what the traveler wants right now, not what a static profile says they wanted a year ago.
Section 5. Biometric Data and Personalization. We are looking at the true future of curation here.
Let's walk through how this builds an absolutely futuristic experience. Step 1 involves detecting continuous shifts in a traveler's mood and environmental data. Step 2 applies that neural intent decoding we literally just talked about. And finally, Step 3 uses predictive generative agents to automatically curate and adjust bespoke itineraries on an hourly basis. It's an AI that dynamically anticipates your needs before you even realize you have them.
This is the absolute pinnacle of this tech stack, biometric feedback loops. Just imagine this for a second. Your smartwatch detects a spike in your physiological stress levels, right? It seamlessly communicates with this system, and the AI automatically adjusts your resort suggestions to prioritize deep relaxation and quiet coastal proximity. Your very biology is actively shaping your luxury experience in real time. It's like science fiction, but it's happening right now.
Finally, Section 6, Business Importance in Luxury Tourism, the Competitive Advantage.
So what does this all mean practically for the industry? Well, the business importance of this system in luxury tourism absolutely cannot be overstated. For a high-end travel expert, this is the ultimate competitive advantage. It completely elevates the standard booking service into an elite, hyper-aware digital concierge. By accessing hidden data and delivering this AI-driven hyper-personalization, it outsmarts standard market algorithms every single time because it simply isn't playing by their rules.
It really makes you rethink what it means to book a trip, doesn't it? As machine learning continues to evolve, the gap between standard travel apps and true, tech-driven luxury curation is only going to widen. Which leaves us with one incredibly fascinating question. Will your next luxury vacation be curated by your own biometric stress data? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.